guys, so I'm back to you with another video, and this is just like a mini haul that I got of stuff I got from WMF. Gosh, WMF. Sometimes I want to say like WDF, but anyways, it's WMF. But they had a sale going on, so I just got a few items, nothing big, just gonna show you guys what I got. And I got a smoothie maker, an extra bottle, and a scale. So I'm gonna start from like small to large, or anyways, you get the idea. So I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, I'm getting a scissors because you need to open it. But anyways, so this actually we just got because the smoothie maker only comes with one bottle, and if you want to make more, you might need another bottle if you're going to store like for a few days or whatever. But nothing exciting here, just a bottle. That's all that comes in it. But these are really good bottles because you can transport them anywhere, and there was a lot of negative reviews talking about leaking, and I haven't had a problem with it leaking. So yeah, that wasn't a problem for me. The second item is the scale, and honestly, we don't use this as much, but it was on sale, so why not, right? But it was a cute little scale. Like, I love the way it looked, the packaging, and it just looks really, really expensive and really nice. It comes with like a warranty packet manual thingy majigger, and yeah, that's the scale. But oh, you have to calibrate it because like I cut that part out, but I was like trying to figure it out, and I just like gave up on it. But you do have to calibrate it. It's actually pretty easy to calibrate, and it comes with a battery. So you know how some things, like when you buy it, it's like, oh, battery not included. Luckily here, the battery comes included. Now I don't know how long the battery lasts, but like I've had it for like a month now, and the battery, like, it still works. So yeah, that's me like trying to figure it out, but I figured it out later. So I'm just gonna skip through this because I was lost. I was real lost, y'all. But on to the next is the smoothie maker. Actually, I was really happy that they were on sale because it's like $60, like original price, but they had it on sale for like $30. And yes, I love it. I was like wanting this for so long because it's super small, super compact. Like, if you don't have a big kitchen, which is like kind of like a problem here in Europe, everything is small. Like a big, full size smoothie maker just didn't work for our space, so this was a perfect alternative. And also, like, I was hesitant at first to buy it online at the full price because there was a lot of like reviews about how it leaks and stuff, but like I said, I've had it for a month and I've smoothied so many things and I've never had a problem with leaking, so maybe they just don't screw the top on. But it comes with the blender attachment and like a regular attachment so that you can take it with you and stuff like that. So that was super cool. And I'm going to show you the base. And it's super easy to use. Like, it's just one button on there. It's like not too complicated. You really just put all the stuff in the bottle and then press the button until it's all smoothied up. And it actually smoothies everything pretty well. Like, even if like they put some frozen stuff in there and it gets stuck at the top, you can just take it off and shake it, and then like it'll, like, I don't know, the mechanics of it, like it suctions it down to the bottom. So like how most smoothie, like full size smoothies, it comes with like a thing to press the stuff down to the bottom. You kind of don't need that with this, so that was also a plus. And I really like it. I've smoothied banana smoothies. I've also smoothied like Oreo shakes. I've smoothied, like, it takes a lot. Like, it you can smoothie nuts in there. It's really strong for the size, and it's really easy to put together. Don't mind the struggle that I have here. I don't know what I was doing. Like, this is a major fail. Major fail. But that always happens when you first get something. Like, you have to figure it out. I don't read instructions, so that's my fault. It's my price I have to pay. But you see here, like, you just screw on the top, and then where that arrow is, you match it to, well, not match it, but you kind of put it a little bit over to the left of the arrow that's on there, and then you just kind of twist it, and then it locks in, like how I'm showing you there. So that was my wonderful smoothie maker blender thingamajigger, and it also comes with like a manual that, of course, I didn't read. I have this mad problem with not reading manuals or anything, but it's a problem. The only thing I didn't like was the false advertisement, because it looks like on the manual you see two bottles, right? You see two bottles, but it comes with one. That was the only problem I had. So like I wasn't sure, it's a good thing I went in the store because they had extras, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna need to buy another one or if it came with two bottles, but whatever. And that's everything. So peace out, and thank you guys for watching.